Hi there, in this tutorial we will learn how to create a movable object GIF in Adobe Photoshop. So in this lesson we will move a cloud inside an image. So let's take a look how it will create a movable object GIF in Adobe Photoshop. So at first we have to open our exercise file. So here is the file menu and here is the open option. And inside our animated GIF folder you will get this Alexandro unsplash image. You have to select this Alexandro unsplash image and then you have to click open. So here is our image and we will remove the cloud from this background. So therefore we have to use quick selection tool. So here is the quick selection tool, and please make sure this add selection tools is selected. There is two tools, add selection and subtract selection. So we have to use this add selection, and let's select the cloud background. Okay, looks good. And we have to add a layer mask. So here is the layer mask option, but you have to press Alt button on your keyboard. So you just have to press Alt button on your keyboard and then you have to click add a layer mask option. So you can take a look, the background is removed, and right now we will place a sky image in here. So therefore we have to click this file menu, and from there we will go for place embedded option. So you just have to click on here. Inside our animated GIF folder you will get this Stacy Mary unsplash image. You have to select this Stacy Mary unsplash image and then you have to click place. Okay, so here is our image and let's scale it properly. I am placing the cloud image, I mean the sky image, in here. It will help us later. And let me place a little bit more right side. Okay, so here is the tick mark, and we have to bring this layer under the layer 1. So let's bring this layer, just you have to drag and drop in here. Now it really looks good. We will create a GIF using this two image, and we will create a GIF where this cloud will move in this image. So let's do that. And therefore in our timeline panel we have to click create video timeline. You just have to click on here and you can take a look. This layer O and Stacy Mary unsplash, two layers are added to our video timeline. And if you select this layer O in our video timeline and if you expand it, then you will get these settings: position, opacity, style, and many more settings you will get. But we have to convert this layer into smart object. So let's do that. Then it will have a change on here. This position will be gone and a transform option will appear on here. So let's do that. We have to convert this layer into smart object. You just have to right click on here and then you will get this convert to smart object option. So you can take a look, this layer is converted into smart object, and let's expand the layer O once again. So here is the change. So you can take a look, the position option is gone and the transform option appeared. So right now we will work with the Stacy Mary unsplash image, as because this cloud will move inside this image and therefore we have to select this Stacy Mary unsplash image. So let's expand the Stacy Mary unsplash layer. So you have to click on here. Here is the option and you will get the setting for Stacy Mary unsplash image. So at first we have to click the transform option and we will add a keyframe in here. So therefore you just have to click on here and you can take a look, a new keyframe is added. And let's move the timeline cursor on here, and we have to scale the stationary and splash image, and therefore you have to press Ctrl or Command T from your keyboard, and then we will move this cloud on here. Let me zoom out the image, and let's select this cloud image in here. I want to place the cloud image in here. Okay, looks good. And here is the tick mark. So let me click this tick mark option, and you can take a look. A new keyframe is added on here. So if you move the timeline cursor, you can take a look. The changes, I mean the preview of changes is appearing on here, and you can take a look. The cloud is moving on here. So let me pull it on here. So let me play this timeline. So here is the option. So let me play, then you can take a look. This cloud will be moved inside this image. So here is the play option, and you can take a look. The cloud is moving inside the image. Okay, cool. So this is how you will create a movable object GIF in Adobe Photoshop. And let's export this file, and let's save as this file as a GIF format. So therefore we will use the save as option. So here is the file menu, and here is the save as option. So let me write a name. I want to write cloud, and you have to click this save as type. So here is the option, and we will pick this GIF option. So you just have to pick this GIF option, and then you have to click save. After clicking the save option, you will get this pop-up, and you have to click OK. So save is done. So let's take a look at the output. We have saved this GIF file inside our animated GIF folder. So let's take a look on there. So here is our GIF file. You can take a look. Here is the type of file. You can take a look. Here is, it shows GIF file, and we will take a look the preview of GIF file inside our web browser. So let me turn on my web browser. So here is our web browser, and let me drag and drop this GIF file inside the web browser. You can take a look. The cloud is moving on this image, and this is how you will create a movable GIF file in Adobe Photoshop. So I'm pretty sure you will practice these things by watching this tutorial, or if you have any question, you can ask me. I can answer you or solve your problems. So see you in next lesson. Bye bye.